Every night I'm going on the grid, texting back, I want you. Hit you up, I'm on the other side. I miss you, miss you. Take you off, I came here way too strong. Cannot keep it low key. Got me drugged, your pheromones hit the roof. Bottle your taste. It's really a bad reception out there. Where you heading? Why ain't gravity pulling you in closer to me? I've lost you.
Hi guys, and welcome back for another video. As you can see in the beginning, this kitchen dining room area is a complete disaster, and I'm just gonna let you know that this video is 3 days worth of me cleaning and getting it all the way together, because you know, life just happens and we're busy, and you know, I got all these kids and stuff just happens, and that's okay. And I'm sure it happens for y'all sometimes too, like that, and that's okay. So we're just cleaning off the counters here, getting everything kind of where it needs to go before I can do some cleaning. But yeah, I hope that this video gives you plenty of motivation, and go ahead and give this video a thumbs up while you're here, and leave a comment down below. I'd love to talk to you guys. Now let's just go ahead and get into all of this cleaning.
But I need you, and you're off my radar now. I've lost you. Telling you that I need you, but you're off my radar now. Found myself in between the lines, underneath your bed sheets. It started fun, but now I'm in too deep into this flow. A zero-sum game that I will lose. There's no zipping past it. Every time you walk away from me, I want you. How could I want you more? Or when did I lose my perspective? Oh God, have I lost it? But my cravings for you so shameless, can't get enough. I've lost you, but I need you, and you're off my radar now. I've lost you, telling you that I need you, but you're off my radar now. I'm like an outcast from pillar to post. There's no denial, I'm chasing ghosts. I'm like an outcast from pillar to post, hitting you up but I'm stuck on hold. Is it really a bad reception out there? Where are you heading?
So I want to take a quick second to just kind of introduce myself. My name is Sheila. I am a wife and mother, currently staying at home, and I make cooking, cleaning, mom life type content. And so if that's something that you're interested in, I'd love it if you stuck around, subscribed, and hit that bell notification so that you know every time that I upload. And yeah, I really just want to encourage and inspire you guys, no matter what your house looks like, no matter what you're going through. Like, if you could just cross one thing off your list today, then that is enough. I know that there are a lot of pressures that get put on us sometimes, in this momming, wifing duties type things, and it can be a lot. And just remember that it's gonna be there. It's gonna be there today, it's gonna be there tomorrow, it's gonna be there the next day. So just do what you can when you can, and that's enough. It is enough. So I hope this guy is giving you guys some motivation. And you guys, look at that whole sink there with all the silverwares. Oh, you guys know I seriously dislike washing silverware. Okay, we're not gonna talk about that right now, okay?
I want to be daring, baby, dance the night away. I let my head down if I won. Don't you just get tired chasing fame and being pretty all the time? Doesn't sound like fun. You can do better. Let me show you what a good time looks like. You can do better, so much better. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit.
Okay, pause real quick. I just had to clarify that I was not snapping at my kids in that clip. I was actually kind of snapping at my husband. You guys, the faces and stuff that I make sometimes, I apologize. But this is just like real life here, and I wasn't gonna cut it out. Sorry. So, this is like my favorite way to clean out our high chairs. We use these Fisher Price chair thingamajiggers, and I take all the cushions off, the straps, and then they have these little slits and like food gets in there and stuff. So probably at least once a week I bring them outside and I spray down those little cracks and crevices and all the things. And this is the easiest way to clean them. Now, of course, on a daily basis, I'm wiping them down and sanitizing them, but this is the best way to get all the food out of these chairs. So if you don't do that, I recommend it. A good deep clean every now and again.
To your box, beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. I want to be silly, baby, dance the night away. I'll kick my shoes off if I want. Let yourself be free, and maybe you will find that there is more to life than being pretty. Honey, let's just face it. You can do better. Let me show you what a good time looks like. You can do better, so much better. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. You can. Baby, let your head down. Be a little wilder. Baby, kick your shoes off. You don't have to hide it. Baby, let your head down. Be a little wilder. Baby, kick your shoes off. Don't hide it. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder.
You guys remember when I said we weren't gonna talk about the silverware in the sink? Yeah, we still it's still chilling there. You guys, I'm not gonna lie to you, I think I left that silverware there overnight again. I just didn't. I just couldn't. I didn't want to deal with it. I couldn't. So I'm cleaning the sink, the other half of the sink, and I'm using the soft scrub with bleach. And I try to show you guys, this stuff does a really, really good job with the sink. This is like an old, I think it's like porcelain sink or something, but it gets scratched up and stained very easily. And this soft scrub definitely helps and like gets everything back white and nice and So I definitely recommend it if you have a sink like this. But yeah, so I do a really good scrub on this one side of the sink. Don't worry, I get to those silverware eventually, but it was just not happening on this day. And yeah, watch some magic on the sink.
Sometimes when I'm thinking about us, before we got lost and we parted, back to back we would carry on and we'd do anything for what we started. But this time we could break, I'm running dry, everything's the same. We'll try tonight, this time we're not safe and sound, not safe and sound. What if I'm no good for you? What if you're no good for me? Yeah. What if I'm no good for you? What if you're no good for me? Yeah. Sometimes when I'm reasoning about us, I know you got me, it's so effortless. Back to back we would carry on and do anything for what we started. But this time we could break, I'm running dry, everything's the same. We'll try tonight, this time we're not safe and sound, not safe and sound. What if I'm no good for you? What if you're no good for me? Yeah.
So I did just go ahead and make up like a sink of hot soapy water with some of that Ajax, the lime baking soda, my absolute favorite. Oh, look at this cute little dog. My husband makes that on a 3D printer. He got it for Christmas and he's obsessed. And the kids are obsessed. So, yes, I just made up a sink of that hot water so that I can wipe down all the surfaces. I was trying to hurry up and clean. I'm also taking out some of the Christmas stuff that's left here. But I was trying to hurry up and clean because I had went ahead and ordered pizza this day for lunch. And don't feel bad about it at all. It was just one of them days. And the kids have been playing outside and everything. So it was just a pizza kind of day for lunch. But anyways, I did forget to tell y'all, when I was washing dishes earlier, my husband started picking up in the dining room. He took all the recycling and the trash out that was by the back door. So y'all don't kind of see that get taken care of in this video, but that's what he was doing. So yeah, I'm cleaning off all the surfaces and then it'll be pizza time.
What if I'm no good for you? What if you're no good for me? Yeah. What if I'm no good for you? What if you're no good for me? Yeah. What if I'm no good for you? What if you're no good for me?
Alright guys, we have started day 2 here and we're in the kitchen. I mean, I swear I live in the kitchen, but I'm going to go ahead and make a quick lunch for the kids, and this is just some tuna. This is what they requested. My kids actually really love tuna. And I'm kind of just using up what I have in the fridge at the moment. As you can see here, I'm boiling up some eggs. I put some bacon bits in there because I had just a little bit left over from one of our pizza nights. So I'm just kind of throwing some things together in here. and have some sad little green onions here. I was gonna use some purple onion, and then I decided, well, this is mostly for the kids. The green onion will be more mild, and I knew I needed to get them out the fridge. I am going to be cleaning out the fridge in this video, so if you've stuck around this far, then you'll have a nice little treat at the end. I am going to clean out the fridge because I plan on ordering groceries the following day. So I'm just gonna be full disclosure here and let you know I don't think I got very far on day 2, and that's why it went into a whole day 3. I wasn't feeling my best, and so yeah, it went on for another day. Speaking of not feeling my best, I'm sure y'all can tell by my voice. I'm actually recovering from the illness. And so that's why I sound like this. Me and my family are doing fine. I was hit the worst, but I'm okay, and I'm on the recovery, on the come up, and so we are all good. But yeah, I'm just making here some tuna. Hopefully you can kind of see what I'm doing. Secret ingredient, I always put a little ranch in my tuna, and sometimes even my potato salad too. It kind of gives it that little zing versus just like a mayo. I know you can accomplish this with other ways, like adding a little bit of vinegar, or people add some pickle juice or whatever, but a little bit of ranch does it for us here. Anyways, yeah, let me just let y'all watch what's going on in the video and quit yapping.
Kinda simple, kinda wishful about things, and you're kinda simple, but like a pistol you fire. Sometimes you get under my skin like a lover, and sometimes you don't wanna come back 'cause you'd rather stay out with another, talking to strangers and make out spontaneously. Now I'm so tired of hearing all your stories about the drunk nights, bragging in the glory. You're such a nice guy when you're not just talking about yourself, and the way of how you dwell, I get it. Oh, I'm so tired of hearing all your stories about your rich friends traveling Mercedes. You're such a nice guy when you're not just talking about yourself, and the way of how you dwell. Don't you get it? You do it right. Hold me tight when I need it, and you always like what I like we know each other. But sometimes you get under my skin like a lover, and sometimes you don't wanna come back 'cause you'd rather stay out with another, talking to strangers and make out spontaneously. Oh, I'm so tired of hearing all your stories about your rich friends traveling Mercedes. You're such a nice guy.
Real quick little hack: if you cannot find your peeler, just take the back of your knife and just scrape it across your carrots, and boom, bam, bam, they are cleaned up and ready to go.
Not just talking about yourself, and the way of how you dwell. Don't you get it? You're such a nice guy when you're not just talking about yourself, and the way of how you dwell, I get it. Now I'm so tired of hearing all your stories about your rich friends traveling Mercedes. You're such a nice guy when you're not just talking about yourself, and the way of how you dwell, I get it. Don't you get it? Now I'm so tired of hearing all your stories.
Alright, So here we are, day 3, guys, and from the looks of the kitchen, I did the dishes last night, and this is when I had finished all of that silverware out of the sink. So we're just gonna start the day kind of getting that put away, and we're gonna continue on. I remember this day, and I remember having to like push myself through everything, because you know, you catch yourself kind of doing one thing and then you get caught up with the kids or doing something, and then maybe you might sit down. Oh, that's the worst. So I pushed through. I did a lot of the little things that I wanted to do in the kitchen this day. And so just keep going, mamas. Like, I know it's hard, but just keep going. Just push yourself a little bit sometimes and you'll get there.
I'm thinking you were made for me. Isn't it my birthday yet? Cause I gotta say, you're looking like a gift for me. Wrapped up nice and neat, baby. Get in my way now, don't be shy. We'll be here dancing day and night. Get in my groove now, don't be shy. Cause I got this list of my favorite things. You could be the part where it all begins. You could be the first and the second and the third and the rest of it. You could be one of the things I love. Sunday morning breakfast with my bedroom door locked. I like everything that has a cherry on top. Get on my list of the things I love, love, love. You could be the one I trust. All the second chances down.
Okay, I have a joke. So, what was George Washington's last meal? Five seconds. Okay, his favorite meal.
You didn't say his favorite, you said his last.
Oh, his last meal that he ever ate.
What is this? Quit with these one little pieces of candy y'all are saving up here. Okay, last meal he ever ate.
The last meal he ever ate was the George Washington.
You telling them a joke and then you turn your head on them.
I'm sorry. I forgot this one. George Washington's last joke was
Last meal, yeah.
his last meal was a George Washington burger.
What?
That is a thing. Okay, bye.
Alright. There you have it. Who would have known?
Nothing for us. I like it all with the cherry on top. Be one of the things I love. We don't have to move so fast, baby. I will show you how you can catch my vibe. And right away, got so much time looping in the blurry lights. Get in my way now, don't be shy. We'll be here dancing day and night. Get in my groove now, don't be shy. Cause I got this list of my favorite things. You could be the part where it all begins. You could be the first and the second and the third and the rest of it. You could be one of the things I love. Sunday morning breakfast with my bedroom door locked. I like everything that has a cherry on top. Get on my list. Too much of emotions. Sometimes I'm the lighting. Don't wanna pick a fight with. Everything seems so good. I guess I can't help myself. Would you hurt me if I'm in the dark? I'm calling up 'cause I'm right under the stars. Would you run out on me leaving this mark? But baby, I'm the one who's breaking hearts. One who's breaking too much of emotions. Sometimes I'm the lighting. Don't wanna pick a fight with. Everything seems so good. I guess I can't help myself.
So I'm not gonna lie here. I looked around and I'm like, okay, it's clean. We're good. And I wasn't gonna sweep. And then I'm like, no, the reality is it's not good. It looks decent on camera, you guys, but just wait till I sweep all this up. It was not good. And this is what I said, like, I just had to keep kind of pushing my way through. So you saw my son was in there taking the clothes out the dryer, and my other son took out the recycling. You can see just from clip to clip. So my kids were doing their chores, and I'm like, no, push through, Sheila. I know you don't want to sweep this floor, but push through. You got this. And it needed it. Look at that. Oh.
Would you call me if I'm in the dark? I'm calling up 'cause I'm right under the stars. Would you run out on me leaving this mark? But baby, I'm the one who's breaking hearts. One who's breaking hearts.
So here we are, you guys, the grand finale of the day. If you've made it this far, you guys, I love you and appreciate you so much. Like, you have no idea. So how about leave me a green heart emoji down in the comments so I can thank you personally for sticking with me till the end. But we're here at the fridge, and as you saw when I first opened it, there's just like tons of leftover containers. And that big old pot is a little bit of leftover menudo from Christmas, you guys. This, I think, was recorded over like the 30th, 31st, 1st, like, you know, towards that time. But yeah, it needed a whole major clean out, refresh, restart for the new year. And I had groceries coming the next day, so it had to get done this night. Another one of those things that I just had to push myself through. I just had to push myself through and get it done. So yeah, I hope that this gives you some motivation to go wipe out your fridge, or throw away some leftovers, or something, the dreaded leftovers, because you know when you clean out the leftovers, then that means another sink full of dishes that you have to wash. Ugh, you guys. Anyways, let me leave y'all to all the goodness.
Can you see me shaking? Hear the sound of my heart breaking. Bless the soul that's aching, hoping I survive. The feeling lingers on every day of every month, wishing I just could forget about you. The weight upon my bones makes it harder to move on. Oh baby, don't think that I'll ever forgive myself for losing you, or for losing you. Left our love up on those dusty shelves. Can't forgive myself for losing you. Don't you feel that too? The feeling lingers on every day of every month. Wishing I just could forget about you. The weight upon my bones makes it harder to move on. Oh baby, don't think that I'll ever forgive myself for losing you, or for losing you. Left our love up on those dusty shelves. Can't forgive myself for losing you. For losing you. For losing you.
Alright guys, once again I'm going to go ahead and make my sink full of hot soapy water with a little bit of that Ajax lime with baking soda, my favorite. And that is what I'm going to use to clean out the fridge and finish the final wipe down of the counters. And so yeah, let's go ahead and get into the remainder of the fridge. And I'm gonna go ahead and say my goodbyes for you guys here. I know that I kind of rushed towards the end of the fridge because my battery was dying, but there's still some plenty of wipe down motivation here for you, and satisfying at the end. So thank you guys so much for sticking around for this long video. I hope that it gave you plenty of motivation to mark just one thing off your list today. And just remember that that is enough. It is a lot. We take on a lot as women, as mothers, as wives. And just mark one thing off your list, and that's enough today, you guys. I love you guys so much. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.
Let me feel your love again. 'Cause I've been running round in circles, screaming out your name. Take me to a different place. Just the two of us, and we can stay up all night, kissing under streetlights, doing what we want to, doing what we need to do, staying up all night. Everything is alright. Oh, I wanna be with you. Oh, I wanna be with you. Let me be that someone who can hold your hand. I don't even know if you can understand how you make me feel. I got you in my head. Oh, I wanna be with you. Oh, I wanna be with you. Let me be that someone who can hold your hand. I don't even know if you can understand how you make me feel. I got you in my head. Oh, I wanna be with you. Oh, I wanna be with you. Be with you. All that time away from you, I didn't think I'd make it without you by my side. Let me feel your love again. Just the two of us, and we could stay up all night, kissing under streetlights, doing what we want to, doing what we need to do, staying up all night. Everything is alright. Oh, I wanna be with you. Oh, I wanna be with you. Let me be that someone who can hold your hand. I don't even know if you can understand how you make me feel. I got you in my head. Oh, I wanna be with you. I wanna be with you. I wanna be with you. Be with you. got you.